Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a project in my house now and I figured why not do a review. Well, this is the review of the cheapest welding machine you can buy online on Lazada. This is the machine here. This is it's called My Tools welding. It's extremely small. As you can see, this is my palm of my hand there. It's a small welding machine. Uses one of this stick welding type to do welding over here. And I've been doing some work. I've been doing some project for my 4x4. This is my project. I'll tell you later what this is. This actually goes to a car or vehicle, and I'll tell you shortly what it does. But I figured why not show you this particular welding machine and how effective it is. The short answer is 166 ringgit does buy your welding machine. You can weld with this. Not very easy though. My welds are awful. I'll show you my welds. Please don't laugh. But let me show you the let me show you okay one. Okay, so you can see here, these are my welds there. Yeah, it's a bit too hot. So I think the stick I'm using, which is this, it's a 2.6 millimeter. It's a bit too thick. I gotta buy a thinner one because again I'm welding on a 1 millimeter box square here. Wasn't easy, but welding, it's one of those things that I always want to learn, and I figured why not. And given MCO, I've done that. Okay, so I'll show you a quick welding video of me welding, and that's it. So yeah, go out there and do something that scares you today, or fun, whichever it is. So first thing first.
What are you making, Appa?
Nothing, Harish. Go away, Harish. Don't come here. Not safe, ma. Okay. Thank you, Harish. It's getting a bit dark here, Harish.
I see a little bit like...
No. Go away. Go away, Harish. No, go away, Harish. Let me lower the amperage. So again, this is my first time ever in my life welding, so please don't make fun of me. It's a learning process. I got the wrong stick though, but here, this is my weld. It's not very good, but you know what, for what I'm doing, it will hold. And as you do, the more you do, you get better at it. So it's about a lifelong learning process, and I'm happy that I've attempted. So again, as I always say, till next time, go out there and have some fun. Bye guys.